We did check the VAR and like the VAR say like Boja said have to go home. How do you feel?
Yeah, fine, I short.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Stapler. Welcome to Stapler Squad. And today we will be playing this Last to Survive Football Challenge. If you love football, just tap in and watch. Okay, good. Hi guys, I'm Stapler. I'm representing Orlando Pirates.
Hi everyone, it's your boy Lata. Ayo, boom! And today I'm gonna representing the Masantawana as part of William's journey. I'm gonna win this challenge. I'm gonna be the champ of the champ. I'm gonna be passing the phone to the weakest player of all time. If you're gonna come here, just know you're the weakest player of all time. Yo guys, it's your boy Lita and I'm representing Pick and Pay FC. Yes sir. Nike. Yes sir. But yeah guys, today he said I'm the weakest player, but I'm going to show him that I'm the greatest player of all time. Lionel Messi. Yes sir. And I'm going to pass to my friend, Mr. Buren.
Big wound when in tech. Hi guys, it's your boy Asive and I'm gonna be representing Buren High School. I know this school is cocked, but yeah, gotta keep on trying, yeah. Hello guys, it's your boy Busy. Today I'm gonna be representing Borasag. Yeah guys, so today they said no one is gonna win the challenges, but yeah, I'm gonna show them who's the boss. And yeah, don't mind, I'm crusty, but yeah guys, let's go suck!
This is the first round. This is Lonawa's first shot and he missed. Now we're going to the second shot. Let's see what's gonna happen. And Lonabo. Oh, Lonabo still missed. Now we're going to the last shot and let's see what's gonna happen. Lonabo! Oh, we miss again. Now it's my turn. This is my first shot. Oh, stay. Oh, so nice. Let's go to the second shot. Stapler. Oh, those are so close. Let's go to the last one. Let's see what's gonna happen. Last shot. Oh. Now it's Lata's turn. His first shot. Oh, it's a mess. His second shot now. Let's see what's gonna happen. He chooses the green ball. Lata. That was so close. Now we go to the last ball. Make the magic can happen. Lata. Oh. Now it's Lita.
2, 1.
First shot of Lita. Oh. Lita, come on, bro. Second shot of Lita. There's money. The last shot where the magic can happen. Come on, Lita. Oh. Now he's a silver shot. And I think he's ready.
Yeah.
And Asive. Oh. That was. I don't know what was that. His second shot. Come on, Movesta. And he's ready. Oh, he changes the ball. And I think he's ready. Wow, at least, unlucky movie. The last ball, where the magic can happen. The magic can happen. I see where.
Moving 3 inches forward.
Let's go.
This is where the freaky part begins. Cause if you score, you're safe. And if you don't score, you're not safe. And you have 3 shots to give you a shot. And Leonardo missed. And he missed again. The last shot.
Hi, boy. Hey.
Oh nah. And we have to take the VAR of each shot. Then later goes.
Man, you're not super.
Garamisan. Oh,
the
he
first
missed.
No, Nicole.
And he go again. Mata. Oh, he missed again.
Password. I'm done with the camps.
And this is the last shot.
Password.
Lata with the last shot. Oh, that was a shot. That was Lito. Oh. Lito. Oh, Lito. And Lito goes again. That was so close. First time he's shooting that good. Last shot. The last shot. Lito. Oh, that's unlucky. You have to go to the VAR and check it. Now it's my turn, okay?
Sukas Lita.
Take your first shot. Oh, that was too high. That was too high. The second shot. And stapler with the second shot.
I knew it. That's always must.
That was shoelace. Oh, that was very close. Oh. Stapler's last shot. And now my first last shot. You're an FC player. And he shoots. Second shot.
Don't disappoint, man. Okay.
Oh nah. His last shot with the magic ball. Movesta! That was crazy. Now it's Lata's turn. He has to shoot. He has to shoot one ball, and then if he's in, he's safe. Come on, Lata. Oh nah, he missed. Then it's my turn. I have to shoot one ball also. Come on, Stapler. 1, 2, 3. And he shot.
Give me the ball.
See?
That was close. Now it's Lona busy with one shot,
Khawuze Fundin.
and he calls for a ball.
Landu songa.
Oh nah. And it's RFX Little, the one and only. That was
Guys,
close.
We have decided with the boys, the one who have the worst shot. Go on, guys. Thanks.
Yeah.
We did check the VAR and like the VAR say like Bodaser have to go home. How do you feel when you
Yeah,
go home?
fine, short. It's the same.
VR say vezak VR.
Yeah, short.
I wanna
Umne
take
zimenzelisa
you somewhere. Yes, you know I care, but it's so cold and I don't
Guys, we go to the
know
next
where.
challenge now. Rolling the tire and shoot. If you don't touch the tire, if the ball doesn't touch the tire, that's for you. And guys, how do you feel, Fit?
Me, I'm not okay, bro. Me, I'm not okay.
I wanna take
same.
you
Guys,
somewhere.
there's
You
no
know
one
I
eliminated, and I think I have a challenge. The tire will be moving. If you hit the tire, you're safe. That's the only thing we'll do. You just roll the tire. If you hit the tire, you're safe. And if you don't hit the tire, go on, guys. Thanks.
Go.
Guys, we're getting to the 1v1 now. One must go home. It's either Mavesta, it's either Buren or Memolori Sundowns. One must go home. And the two teams is safe.
This is where one of them has to go home. This is the last chance. If one scores and the other one don't score, one must go home. The boys are feeling the pressure. Lata goes. Lata missed. Now is Mavesta. Mavesta has to score and Lata must go home. Mavesta! Oh, you missed again. This is the second try of them. Trying to hit the tire. And Mavesta start. Mavesta hits the tire. Lata has to score. If he does not score, he's not safe. He has to go home. Come on, Lata. Gotta miss. Lata! Oh, Lata is vying.
So how do you feel, boy?
Super capitalistic expectations because like
you saw
Styler is the weakest team. Everyone knows that. Why did I compete in this jersey? Like, why did I compete in this jersey, bro?
I don't remember any team in Fiesta having 2 stars.
He said he's going to win. He's a loser. Okay, it's fine. I've lost.
Ask him a question.
you saw
United,
Fresh meat.
When was the last time? Yes, sir. Have you ever seen Kaizer Chiefs lifting cup?
I I broke
Doesn't have the answer.
Guys, it was nice being on the Stapler Squad video, but everyone has different journeys. My journey has come to end.
Now we're going to the third round. It's the penalty shootout. If you don't score, you're out. If you score, you're safe. You're going to the finals.
Stapler.
Vamos! Yes, man!
Since everyone missed, we're going to the second round of penalty shoot.
Why are you unfair?
Vamos! Uma! Ikalin! Ikalin! Yaiva ke ho. Dlala ka lo. Ukhiphe yonke lento. Chi. Kwenge.
Clean. 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 Clean.
Eliminate you, it's fine. It's hard to accept the truth, but you're outside. Well done. You can pay, you've missed the penalty. Good deal, penalty. Cameraman, it's fine, ubambe penalty, Bumile, it's fine. It's fine, go home. It's fine. It's fine.
It's
It's fine. It's fine.
but it's so cold
Thank you for
and I
the
don't
participation.
know where. I broke daffodils pretty street, but they won't flower like flowers.
So now, guys, Lita is eliminated. Unfortunately, Lita couldn't make it, and like we're going to the final round now. It's a 1v1 plus the keeper.
Yes, sir. Dude. 9, 8. Let's go.
After I missed that shot, my hope was done, was finished. Marvel stays nah, I'm cool with it because like other guys couldn't make it in the final, so I did. So like yeah, Marvesta was the champ.
Yes, our winner. Quick interview. How do you feel as the first winner in Stapler Squad?
I'm so excited. Yeah, it was hard.
Excited.
But yeah, I overcame.
How was it competing with Messi? Like the toughest opponent ever.
Yeah, my toughest opponent was my finalist. Yeah, cause yeah, all the guys are weak, man. They weren't before. Yeah,
Done, bro. Get low.
Oh, second place.
Our runners up, our Arsenal, our Pirates. You symbolize what you are, man. How do you feel like losing the final round?
Was really tough. This boy is lucky. It's like I can't say anything much. But next one on Staples Challenge. Of course, I'm gonna win. You see?
Yeah.